Often we meet with families that can qualify for the VA pension, which can be up to $25,000 a year, but they need to transfer assets before they will be fully qualified for that. And the question comes up, well, what if we do this work, we're transferring assets, we're doing this, we're doing that, and then 3 months later, a year later, 2 years later, my father needs a nursing home. In other words, he's got to go from receiving care at home, or maybe in an assisted living, to receiving care in a nursing home. What do we do at that point? Well, there's a couple things. One, we have the VA pension money, which can be a couple $1,000s a month coming in. That can help offset the cost of a nursing home. So you may have somebody that's receiving $2,000 a month in Social Security. They get another $2,000 in the VA pension, so that's $4,000. Well, maybe their nursing home is $6,000. So there's a $2,000 a month shortfall. Please don't misunderstand me. That's painful to deal with, but that's better than a $4,000 a month shortfall. So how do we take care of that deficit or that shortfall? Well, we have money. If we've transferred money into a trust, that's what it's there for. That you as the children can access that money. If it's in the proper type of trust, set up at the proper time, you can pull money out of that to make up for that shortfall while your mother or your father's in a nursing home. Another option is sometimes we can undo the gift. We just give it back. And then we're in a situation where we have to look at, what does Medicaid allow? How much money do they allow us to keep? Depends on, as a practical matter, depends on, are we married? Are we single? Do we have a house? What are our assets? And so that can be an option. And here's the bottom line. If you're trying to do this on your own, this can be very difficult to be able to coordinate with the VA and coordinate with Medicaid. But if you sit down with an Alabama elder law attorney and say, okay, what are my options right now? Right now my father's in an assisted living. How do we get the VA benefits? Okay, what happens though if he needs a nursing home? Do we have a backup plan? Do we have another option? And if you sit down with a lawyer, you should be given that information. That's all part of the counseling and the advice that you receive. So understand that nobody knows the future. But if things go badly and we have to go into a nursing home, you still have options. Hope this has been helpful to you. If you live in Alabama and want to find out more about this, you can go to alabamaelderlawyer.com and contact us, or you can, maybe the easiest thing is just pick up the phone. Call us, 205-879-2447. Thank you very much.